Happy Thursday, my friends. Repeat after me. The month is January. If yesterday was the 6th, I know that today is the 7th, and we are 1 week away from Clay's birthday. January is the first month. It is the 7th day of 2021. Let's write it out. January 7th, 2021. Today is Thursday. That means yesterday, was Wednesday. If yesterday was Wednesday and today is Thursday, then tomorrow will be Friday. My favorite day. Yesterday we were at 57 days of school. If I add one more, I know that is 58. So 58 days of school. 2 quarters make 50 cents. 50, 55, 56, 57, 58. 58 cents. Make sure that we know these words. Walk. Please. Talk. Done. Shall. Animal. Alright, our temperature today, look at where the thermometer is, go across. It is 20 degrees Fahrenheit. That means it's pretty cold. I'm going to change up our minute hand today, and I'm going to put it down here at the 6. Okay? Whenever it's at the 6, that is 30 because we count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And then I'm going to take our minute hand, and I'm going to put it just after the 3. Okay? When we're reading a clock, we look at our hour hand. I think I might have just said minute hand. Sorry. We look at our hour hand, and we go back up. Where was it last? And it was last at the 3. Okay, so we're going to put that down. And then when it's pointed down at the 6, just like I said, it's at the 30 because we count by 5s around. Good job today.